2022. Are you excited to know? Hello, bands in the front. How are you feeling? Your heart. What's it saying? Touch your heart. I have the result right here in front of me, and we should start with the individual prize. Okay? Are you ready? Now the best vocal. We will start with the best vocal, which will be given away by ShiRock, the Opal MLA. The best vocal to the band Oral Paradox, and he is none other than ShiRock. Please come up on stage to receive this award. The best vocal is from the band Oral Paradox, and he is ShiRock. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of
Congratulations once again, ShiRock. Now, let's get down to the best bassist of the ShiRock 2022 band competition. Any guesses? Alright, we have the best bassist, Jay Hawkins of Echoes of Mercy. I would like to request Shri Kashubashum, Honorable Minister, to kindly hand over the certificate.
Congratulations, Jay Hawkins, ladies and gentlemen, from the band Echoes of Mercy. Coming up next is the best guitarist, which will be given away by ShiRock once again. And the best guitarist for the ShiRock 2022 goes to Donald Pavey from Variation 4!
Well, ladies and gentlemen, make a bigger noise! Donald Pavey of Variation 4, the best guitarist of ShiRock 2022 band competition.
Congratulations, Donald Pavey from Variation 4. Round of applause for Donald Pavey, ladies and gentlemen.
Congratulations once again. Now let's get down to the best drummer of the competition. The best drummer goes to Regan Yumnam of Terra Progeny.
Regan Yumnam.
Congratulations, Regan.
Best drummer, Regan Yumnam from the band Terra Progeny. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause once again. Coming up next is the best keyboardist. And the winner is from the band called The Prophets! And his name is Samuel, the best keyboardist from the band The Prophets. Congratulations, Samuel! Round of applause.
Congratulations once again, Samuel. Well deserved. Alright, let's get down to the last but not the least of the individual awards. We have the best stage act, and this will be given to a band. Alright, so the best stage act of ShiRock 2022 band competition goes to Symphonic Illusions! Congratulations, Symphonic Illusions!
Symphonic Illusions. Now we are done with the individual prizes. Let's get down to business, people. Tonight we are here to listen or get the result of the band competition 2022. We are left with the second runners-up, first runners-up, and the winner. We just have that now. Bands, how are you feeling? Before we announce this, can we all give a round of applause for all the bands participating in ShiRock 2022?
Alright, a total of 16 bands competed for this coveted ShiRock 2022. Alright, so we have the second runners-up here with me. They will be awarded with a cash prize of 2,50,000 rupees.
Are you ready?
The second runners-up of ShiRock 2022 band competition goes to... They're from Manipur. 1 BHK. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
I'd like to request the Honorable Minister and Honorable Emily to kindly hand over the certificate to them.
ShiRock 2022 1BHK from Manipur. A round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen. They walk home with a cash award of 2.5 lakh. The next on the line coming up is the first runner-up. Are you ready for the first runners-up, everybody? All right, hold on tight. Here comes the first runners-up, and they are from Meghalaya, and they are the Symphonic Illusions. They deserve it.
Congratulations, guys. This band, the first runners-up, will be awarded with a cash prize of 5 lakhs rupees.
The symphonic illusion from Ekalaya, first runners-up, walks away with a cash prize of 5 lakh rupees, ladies and gentlemen. The symphonic illusion all the way from Ekalaya, winning the first runners-up on the ShiRock 2022. A round of applause once again.
Yes, congratulations once again, Symphonic Illusion. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, are we up for the winner? The winner of ShiRock 2022 band competition. Are you ready? Yeah? The winner will be awarded with a cash prize of 10 lakhs rupees! Alright. Any guesses, ladies and gentlemen? Any guesses? Bands? Yeah? Very nervous? Alright, without further ado, we'll be announcing together the name of the band. Alright, a tuk-tuk moment. Control your heartbeat. Alright, we can feel it. We can feel the vibration. The winner of ShiRock 2022 band competition is
Congratulations! The Prophets from Israel winning the 2020 ShiRock band competition. Kindly come on stage. They walk away with a cash reward of 10 lakh rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner ShiRock 2022 band competition is the Prophets from Israel.
Once again, the Prophets, and thank you so much, Honorable Minister Sri Krishin Bashum and Honorable MLA ShiRock, for taking the trouble to come up to the stage and handing out all the prizes. Thank you. Okay, give it up one more time for all the 16 bands. Thank you. You have all made ShiRock 2022 band competition a great success. Thank you for the participation. Thank you. Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors, guys.
Congratulations to all the winning teams.
Come on.